Hello dear traders, welcome. Today is the 13th of September 2024, almost 2 o'clock. I was asked to talk a bit about the different market cycles. That's what I would like to do here with the MK Web. So yeah, I mean euro dollar really shows you a lot in one go. So as you can see, the market is empty, okay? Both longies and shorties are really kicked out. That's why the dumb money here is also within the dumb money tolerance. It makes sense because look, the high has been cleared. So first we had, the cleaning of the day charts, then we had the cleaning of the long-term high. So naturally the shorties have been crushed. Once some longies came in to buy the dip, they have been crushed. So it's like a big house clean on the higher time frames in a way. So that's why we see those empty markets. So it's a different market phase with a high dumb money tolerance, which means a bit more tricky. My prediction of the upper MTS runs was really nice in the MK block. You see here, euro dollar took the MTS as expected. There were beautiful long trades against the shorties. So within that phase, you can still do those kinds of trades, of course. So I had a good week. Let's look at some of the markets because of some interesting things like here in pound yen. You see the market is completely empty. I mean, first they did the squeeze move up against all the shorties. Then they did the dumb money switch against the longies. Of course, naturally, both sides after this pullback were reduced. So also high dumb money tolerance there. Pound dollar took the upper MTS as predicted. Beautiful. Nice, easy long trade there. That was in this week. Dollar yen took the upper MTS and went back down. It's also very interesting on the day chart to see the massive downtrend against those dumb money longies, but now the market is empty. The low has been cleared. Of course, the LTS, so they can go down further, but especially if longies come in. But these are not the best parts of the steak, so to speak. Yeah, these have already been eaten. Gold, the big squeeze move against the shorties. Shorties have been wiped out there with a stop run to the upside. Beautiful. So to make a long story short, we are in a phase now where the markets across the board are a little empty. And both longies and shorties have been crushed. So it's a low bias phase, so be very selective with your trades, okay? Before that, we had phases where, you could do the same trade every day for a while. In the squeeze phases, then we had the beautiful stop hunts and all of that. But now it's a bit more tricky. Okay, so beginners, keep it small. Advanced traders, be selective, of course. There will still be nice trades, as I've shown, but always check all time frames for each trade and wait for the right opportunities. So get the MK Web for £60 per month. It's amazing. It's super cheap. It will change in the future because unfortunately it's not sustainable to keep it so cheap, but current clients will always lock in that price. Okay, so what I will most likely do, I will need to define a date after which new clients will have to pay a new price while the old ones will always lock in the current price. But unfortunately, it's a bit too cheap, and I need to make things work. I've always reinvested everything. I've never taken out not a single penny out of this project. But in order to make it grow and to reinvest more and all of that, I will need to increase prices for new clients in the future. So if you want this project to continue, please share on your social media. Send it to people where you think, they may be interested in that. That would be great. Lots of love. Happy trading. Take care.